In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, you need to open Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then choose Close in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my DOOGEE is off, but you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also access devices settings. Scroll down and click on Location section. Then manage it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!